And action.
Okay, people, welcome to my world of magic stuff. Yes, indeed. My name is DJ Paco Rich, and today, in my rounds to discover what is up in Africa, I came across this wonderful coconut. It's a special one, of course, and then look at how the coconut is. Yes, I was able to, crack the shell without breaking it, and then it looks so nice that now I can use it for a cup. Do you have pure water here?
Yes.
Go and bring me some so that I can taste it and drink in it. So this is how it looks like. Very rounded shape.
Wow, it's a very beautiful shape.
Yes. It has a very curvy shape. Body enough like a Diasa coconut. Yes. So this is how it is. So it was covering very nicely, and I was able to break it up. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to channel Range Media. My name is Paco Range. So you pour some water. Yes, that's my niece, my beloved niece. Kamanza is doing the camera. No, show it to them. Point this way. Show it to them. So we are going to drink from the. Watch us. We are going to drink from the magic coconut cup. Who else want to taste? When you drink from this cup,
Me.
You live so long. And you want to have, you want to drink from the coconut. Okay, so this is how to drink from the magic coconut cup, and you will have a lot of money. Anything that you wish, once you drink from this cup, you will have it.
It tastes better.
It tastes better. Water of life. So if you see me becoming a billionaire in the next 3 days, you know Bisakawa, it be coconut. Will give me the cash. Alright, I'm out of here. Kamanza is behind the camera. And Rama.
Hi.
Yeah, Ojene fans.
Hi.
Angel fans and Kenyawa. And our executive producer is called Joycelina Samoa, aka Mama Lipstick Mama.
Wow. The beautifulest of them all.
Yeah. And we're also sponsored by Kwani Hardwares and Electricals.
Yeah, Pedro, give me some water, let me drink.
Oh, you want to taste from the magic cup?
Yep.
Okay. Our camera woman wants to taste from the magic cup, pouring her own.
Yep.
So that she can also make money from the magic. Okay, film her too. Yes. She's drinking from the magic coconut cup.
Wow, so delicious. She's going to love it.
Yes. So film me, let me end it. Okay, so this is how we end our show today.
Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yes, let's share great African content.
We thank you.
Lifestyle and all that. You know what I mean? Bye.